dear viewers, respected sir and madam, research scholar and dear students. This is an online national seminar on literary emperor Annabhai Sathi, organized by Department of History and IQAC, Art and Commerce College, Kondaghat, University of Mumbai, Maharashtra. A very thanks to Dr. Tadirao sir for inviting me as a speaker in the national seminar. Myself, Aditi Deka Pathak, Director of Aditi Arts Academy. Now, I will start my presentation. The topic of my presentation is the impact of visual stimuli towards emotional perception, a study of Annabhai Sathi. This is my painting of Annabhai Sathi. Abstract. The visual emotions of writer for writings literature come out from outside surrounding world of objects. From visual reaction, one can study socio-economic, political and cultural status. Exploitation, injustice, unfairness, inequality can be observed visually. The overall contribution of Annabhai Sathi can be examined visually. About the introduction. The position of literary writer is nothing but something for socio-economic and human development. Social sense and equality are the basis of a society. Annabhai Sathi, the identity of visual stimuli and emotional perception. The key objectives. About the chief objectives on the paper to know the idea of visual stimuli, to glorify the concept emotional perception, to study how Annabhai Sathi visualized the socio-economic and political questions of the country, to know how the visual life depicted in Annabhai Sathi's life, to explore literary endeavor. Justification of the study. Make some justification of the study. Annabhai Sathi. Visual communication, emotional attachment, language, literature, motivational, psychological. Methodology. Books of Annabhai Sathi, research papers, paper clips, journals, internet websites. What is visual stimuli? In psychology, a stimulus is any object's behavioral reaction, a powerful sense. Visual stimuli explore reaction on any field. What is emotional perception? Emotional perception refers to the capacities and abilities of recognizing something, identifying emotions like social, economic, biological, psychological, etc. Emotions creates literature. Literature and emotions are the identity of Annabhai Sathi. Visual stimuli towards emotional perception. Visual communication can extend holistic development, interactions in emotion explore literature. Emotional quality equally creates the emotional experience. How Annabhai Sati visualize the socio-economic and political questions of the country. Number 1, the socio-economic stability of the country greatly focused by Sati's Marathi writings. Number 2, the political questions relating to caste and class can be visualized through Sati's literatures. The Dalit literatures are the social literary phenomenon in Maharashtra. Dalit literature highlighted about cunning method, violence, speechless, and exploited groups. Annabhai Sathe depicted the Dalits' existence strongly and successfully. Social stability and emancipation of the Dalits. Sathe was the creative thinker who envisaged the prospect of the Dalit and Dalit movement in a most comprehensive approach. This is the last point. How the visual life depicted in Annabhai Sathe's life to explore literary endeavor. Sathe is a dominant literary figure in Dalit literature in Maharashtra. Literary exceptional diamond without any formal education and identity of the most influential Dalit novels and short stories in Dalit literature focus the socio-economic status of Maharashtra and the country. His literature highlights the wide-ranging viewpoint of the humanism. He penned for the downtrodden, disregarded segment and the working class people. His stories project life of Dalit and workers. Sathe launched the first Dalit Sahitya Sammelan held at Mumbai in 1958 and articulated about the Dalit and working class people. What are the major findings? The major findings are the concept of visual stimuli is very important in human behavior. Emotions has to affects input and output. In real life, Annabhai Sathe visualized the socio-economic and political conditions. Sathe's full devotions and struggle explores not only for the Dalits in Maharashtra but also for the country. Now it's time to conclusion. Sathe represents the rural existence in his short stories, helping scenery, kindness, ethics, struggles, effort, unfairness, revenge, etc. in his rural stories. In the history of Dalit literature, Sathe's impact highlights the caste aspects in Maharashtra. Bibliography: Desai IP caste conflict and reservation, Ajanta publication 1985. Michel's SM Dalit in Modern India, Vision and Venue, Hested publication Delhi in 1999. And some other websites, outer websites. Thank you so much.